Okay, guys, next talk is Dr. Reddy, and let's look at it. It is a 5 minute chart, and you can see this entry exit marks right here. I have uploaded a recent video, please go and check it out. On Dr. Reddy, I entered right here long and it went up. The resistance was close, so I exited right here. And also, at that time, I reached office, so I had to exit. Wanted to go for a meeting, so yeah. How I chose this talk is I was sitting on this day, 4th of April, at home. I regularly check the stocks, all Nifty 50 stocks. I analyze every night the end of the day charts. So you can have a look at it like the down rally, the big down rally. It was a resistance zone. I extended it towards right, and you can see it broke the resistance here, so it became a support. So it went up, it took a support, went up, took a support here, went up, and then it broke the resistance down here. And now what happened on this day, on this 5th of April? What happened? The stock gapped up right here, and then it started going down, and it was a bull trap. It started showing that stock is gonna go down, but then it went up. See the next two candles, they were green, so it was a trap. All those who got trapped in the first 5 minutes, their stop losses got hit right here and the stock went up. So what I did is, this was the rectangle I marked, this was a resistance zone, and on this day it gapped up totally and opened above this resistance. And then I decided to enter right here at 2112, and then I exited at 2130. So let's look at some other examples. See, this was a big rally, and when stock came here, it went up. You can see 2126 to 2161, 30 rupees of move. You can see big up moves are okay. If you see this move, this is a up rally, continuous rally. So let me mark a rectangle right here, 1%. Okay, 0.77%. See what happened on this day. It came right here, touched, and went up till here. See how it is working, guys. It again came down and went up. After 4 to 5 days, tested this level, went up. Then what happened, you see? Okay, so it broke that support, and then that support became a resistance, went up, and then came down. See what's happening, guys. This technique really works very nicely. I have tested on so many stocks. I have been trading since 1 or 1.5 year with this technique, and you can see this is a resistance. It went down here, so you mark this. See, it was in consolidation right here, and suddenly a big order from the bears came into the market, and there's a sudden fall in the stock price. So you can see after 1 day, 2 days, it came here, and then see the next rally. There's also a third rally. If you can see, if you make it 1%, it is, see the box, it is 0.89%. If you make a 1% box, yeah, 1%. See what happened here, right here, touched here. See the move next day, again touched here. See the small move, and then as I said, hammering the wall 2 to 3 times or 4 times makes it weaker. So that's what happened here. one time, second time, third time, fourth time, hammered, and then this wall became weaker, and then it just went up. So it broke the wall. Yeah.